Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on VR. First, you'll need a compatible VR headset and a powerful personal computer. Ensure your PC meets the minimum specifications, typically requiring at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern graphics card. A stable, high-speed internet connection is also crucial for a smooth experience. These foundational elements are absolutely essential before diving into the immersive virtual world of Roblox. Once your hardware is ready, connect your VR headset to your personal computer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, as this often involves specific cables and ports. Install any necessary software or drivers that come with your VR device to ensure proper functionality. Finally, calibrate your play space, setting up a safe area of at least 6 feet by 6 feet to prevent accidental collisions while you explore. With your VR headset connected and software installed, launch the Roblox application on your personal computer. Within the game, navigate to the Settings menu and look for the option to enable VR mode. You might find various VR-specific settings, such as comfort options for movement or adjustments for graphics quality. Experiment with these to find what works best for your comfort and system performance, ensuring an enjoyable experience. Even with everything set up, you might encounter occasional issues. If you experience performance drops or tracking problems, try restarting your applications or updating your graphics drivers. Optimizing your personal computer settings, like closing background programs, can also significantly improve gameplay. Remember, the Roblox community is a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and discovering new tips to enhance your virtual reality adventures. Enjoy your immersive journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.